In WhatsApp, if you want to record a voice and set it as your status, you can do that. In this video, we'll explain how to set a voice status in WhatsApp. To start, open the WhatsApp application. Then, down below, you'll see the Updates option. Click on Updates. When you tap on it, you'll see the My Status option at the top, with a plus button next to it. Just tap that plus button. This will take you to your gallery, but since we want to set a voice as our status, click the voice button instead. When you tap that, you'll see a page like this. To record a voice, look for the button here. Just long press it, and you can say whatever you want. If you feel like deleting it mid-recording, simply swipe left. Swiping left will delete it. Anyway, I'm recording an audio now. If the audio's okay, just release the button. You'll see the audio here. You can play it back from here, or if you want to delete it, tap the delete button, and it'll be gone. For me, this audio's fine. Next, if you want to change the background color, there's a button up top. Tap it, and you can pick a different background color. For now, I'm sticking with this one. Once everything's set, just hit the done button. Now, to post this as your status, tap the send button. Once you do, it'll be posted as your status. That's how you can easily set a voice status in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.